In this particular case, there are 4 little statues, and the idea is to make a note of the street number nearest to each of those statues, and then you do a calculation to find out where the final location is. This is the first of the posts, which has been carved into a sort of a bird shape, and now we're going to go along and find the first of the gate numbers, and that will be the first of the numbers for the coordinates which we will find. Okay. And on the side of the road there, you'll see the second post, and it's got the bushes in front of it, but that's no problem. Now if we look around to the left, we will find that the nearest post to it is number 55, so that would be the second of the four coordinates. That'll be number B. And here's another one of the posts. There's little statues, and I think that's number 3. Okay, now that we've got the 4 coordinates, or the 4 street numbers, which is A, B, C and D, totaling 391, which is one of the clues to get the numbers right, we can then use those numbers to work out the new coordinates for the location of the little container. Yeah, hi there. This is location 3B of the movie, and it's where we look for the container inside the hollow tree. So we will now go and have a look at that point. And this is where the little container is kept, which has all the little goodies in it, right inside here.